In this video, we listed the 5 best LCD microscope on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. TOMLOV DM9 Max Microscope. The TOMLOV DM9 Max digital microscope is a powerful tool equipped with a Sony IMAX sensor and a 10.1-inch LCD IPS screen, offering a magnification range from 2x to 1300x. It features 6 main LED lights, 2 side lights, and bottom transmitted light for clear observations. This microscope can be easily connected to Windows and Mac computers for viewing on a larger screen without the need for drivers. With a 25MP sensor, it provides vibrant color images and allows for detailed observations of various objects like PCB boards, watches, and cell phones. Their microscope also includes touch control LED fill lights, a remote control for easy operation, and comes with 10 prepared slides for observing transparent specimens. The IPS screen ensures vivid colors and accurate image reproduction from any angle, making it ideal for a range of applications such as soldering, electronic repairs, and coin collection. Additionally, the sturdy base and 10-inch stand provide stability and a larger working space, while the remote control allows for convenient operation without disturbing the viewing experience. Number 2. Andonstar AD210 Microscope. The Andonstar AD210 digital microscope is a versatile tool designed for electronics, PCB, SMD work, and soldering tasks. It features a 10.1-inch adjustable LCD screen and offers magnification ranging from 5x to 260x. With a 2 megapixels HD sensor, it provides high-quality imaging at various resolutions including FHD 1920 by 1080 at 30 fps. Their microscope supports video recording in AVI format and photo capture in JPG format, with a maximum resolution of 12 mm. It has a focus range of 2 cm and uses a USB 5V DC power source. The package includes the digital microscope, metal stand, remote control, dimmer cable, metal clips, and a user manual, all backed by a 1-year warranty. With features like built-in LEDs for illumination and support for multiple languages, this microscope is a handy tool for a range of applications. Number 3. Andonstar AD206S Microscope. The Andonstar AD206S LCD digital microscope is a versatile tool designed for various applications such as PCB repair, phone repair, soldering work, and more. It features a 7-inch LCD screen and a high-grade endoscope for precise work. The adjustable accessories, including the bracket, screen, and dual LED lights, allow for flexibility in different scenarios. With an industrial-grade lens equipped with a UV filter and lens cover, the microscope ensures clear imaging and protection from dust and high temperatures. Built-in imaging processing technology and an IR remote enhance the user experience, making observations easier. The device offers a wide range of applications, from industrial and educational purposes to skin inspection and jewelry examination. The package includes essential accessories like the microscope, endoscope, stands, remote control, and more. The product comes with a warranty and replacement policy, emphasizing customer satisfaction. Buyers are encouraged to provide feedback and contact customer service for any issues before leaving negative feedback. Number 4. Elikliv EDM201 SE Microscope. The Elikliv EDM201 SE 7-inch digital microscope with 10-inch stand is a versatile and advanced tool for various applications. Featuring a high-definition 7-inch IPS screen with vivid colors and a 178-degree viewing angle, it offers a premium viewing experience. The longer 10-inch stand allows for easy observation of whole coins without the need for additional extensions. With a magnification range from 10x to 1200x, this microscope enables detailed observations and can capture images and videos. It can be connected to a PC for a larger view and data sharing, supporting both Windows and Mac OS. The solid metal frame construction ensures durability, making it suitable for tasks like circuit board testing, watch repair, and jewelry examination. With features like a 12MP camera, adjustable LED light, and ergonomic design, the Elikliv microscope is a valuable tool for professionals and a great gift for both adults and kids. Number 5. TOMLOV DM9 7 Microscope. The TOMLOV DM9 7-inch LCD digital microscope camera offers a versatile and user-friendly tool for a wide range of applications, from micro-soldering to observing small living organisms and coins. With a 7-inch rotatable FHD screen, 1200x magnification, and 1080p video recording capabilities, this microscope provides high-quality imaging and a fascinating micro-world observing experience.